Hi, I'm Doug Clark, founder of nonprofitstarterkit.com. We have been helping people start and develop their nonprofits for a little over 30 years. As you can imagine, in that time, we have been around the block. And we've had many people pitch to us what they say they can do only to find that they can't. We were in desperate need of a landing page. The one we had was not effective. It didn't articulate our passion or our vision. Sam and his team at Atomic Marketing stepped in. They got to know us. They heard what it was we were trying to accomplish, and they promptly went about developing a landing page that was phenomenal. Incomparable. It was effective, it articulated well, it was very professional. I've got to tell you, Sam and the team at Atomic Marketing have just been a joy to work with. I highly recommend them. They have been honest, transparent, they've been available. I encourage you to give them a try. You will not be disappointed.